Oticon, recent insights have taught us that it's not enough to be an expert on sound. Rather, we must understand what users want to listen to and how they behave when they communicate, whether the sound scene is incredibly complex or even very simple. That's why we have introduced Oticon Intent with 4D sensor technology. Our mission was to find out how this new technology helps people in conversations and ultimately in life. Partnering with the Technische Universiteit of Denmark, we designed a deeply immersive virtual sound experience in a 64-channel spherical loudspeaker array in the Audiovisual Immersion Lab. Here, the test participants had real-world tasks to solve. The test participant had to find the person talking about a certain topic among 4 speakers, telling different stories in background noise by moving their head and their body. Then we tested their comprehension of the story. But what is the effect of intent-based processing on the brain? Participants in a parallel study listened to news clips while real-life surrounding sounds were presented. By recording EEG, we analysed how speech and surrounding sounds were balanced in the brain. Finally, our researchers conducted a wealth of technical measurements over the course of many months. And the results were remarkable. Technical measurements showed that even with a single, complex listening environment, Oticon Intent continually adapts its hearing support in a range spanning 5 dB output SNR, depending entirely on user behaviour and intention. And when compared to our best previous hearing aid, Oticon Intent gives an incredible 35% more access to speech cues. Our immersive VR study revealed that the new 4D sensor technology is responsible for a 15% improvement in speech comprehension while preserving access to speech all around the user. And we could see the effect on the brain when EEG results revealed that attention to surrounding sounds is significantly higher when a person is actively navigating a room compared to when they're part of an intimate conversation, just as we would want it to be. All while the brain's attention to speech remains constant and stable, no matter what. Finally, compared to our best previous hearing aid, Oticon Intent is rated by users as having 10% better sound quality, 13% more nuances in the sound scene, and 10% higher listening comfort. By continuously adapting support even within a single difficult environment as the user's listening intentions inevitably change, Oticon Intent helps people engage in conversations and in life like never before. Oticon, life-changing technology.